You are now watching Showbiz Snap, your daily showbiz update. Isang influencer nga ang hindi natanggap ang naging sagot ng representative ng Miss Universe na si Rabia Mateo. Ito ay matapos tanungin ng isang netizen itong si Rabia kung ano ang masasabi niya sa naging pahayag ni President Duterte before na ang pagkapresidente ay hindi nababagay sa babae kung hindi sa lalaki lamang. Ito'y naging bahagi o pagbabahagi ni President Duterte nang sabihin niya na hindi niya papayagan ng kanyang anak na si Sara Duterte na tumakbo bilang presidente ng Pilipinas kahit pa nga ito ang nangunguna sa poll. Sinabi ni President Duterte sa kanyang naging pahayag before na this is not for a woman. You know the emotional setup of a woman and a man is totally different. It will drive you nuts. Yan ang naging pahayag ni President Duterte. Samantala, isang netizen naman ang nagtanong kay Rabia Mateo at sinabing President Duterte recently made a remark that the presidency was not job for a woman because their emotional differences to men. What are your thoughts on this? Yan ang naging tanong kay Rabia. Sinagot naman ito ni Rabia na nirerespeto niya ang naging opinyon ng presidente about dito, pero she completely disagree with what he said. Sabi ni Rabia, women are as capable as men in handling a nation. I am a woman and I believe that my emotion do make part in my leadership skills and I have so much heart. I have so much calling in being a leader actually. I do disagree with this thought. I can lead the country because I have the power to do so. Yan ang naging mariing pahayag ni Miss Universe Philippines na si Rabia Mateo. Sabi niya, I won't agree with something like this because I know my capabilities and strength as a woman and I know I can make a difference, so much difference. We need female leaders who will put their emotions into making decision because it's not all about the experience. Sometimes you really need to put your emotions and be the mother of your country. Yan ang naging pahayag ni Rabia. At narito naman ang naging resback ng isang influencer dito kay Rabia na si Jam Magno. Sa kanyang FB page, pinahayag ni Jam Magno ang kanyang pagkadismaya sa Miss Universe. Sa naging pahayag nito about sa naging opinyon ni President Duterte na ang pagkapresidente ay sa lalaki lamang. Sabi ni Jam Magno, Duda Mateo or Rabia Mateo, Anya, when you are supposed to represent the 104 million Filipinos, you need to do the math, meaning that you should represent the whole and not the tiny. I never want to speak against anyone who I know has every right to be angered about something like, let's say, losing their million peso livelihood due to the closure of their network. That I respect and I won't really fight them on that. But as for you, I will not approve of the fact that you do not represent me as a woman at all when your fashion sense is saddening and they pass you off as an intellectual instead. You know why Pia and Catriona won their crowns? They focused on the prize. They rallied the Filipinos behind them. There was no color or side, so they won and everyone united with them. If they have different opinions, now it's because they earned it. But as for you, focus on your role. I like you in the beginning as you and I love MDS, but when you focus on emotions and not on empowerment, I don't think you will win that way. Have you seen Amanda Obdam? She at the very least should be your closest rival. But amiga, you can even beat her casual look even if you tried the hardest. Remember, madam, as queen, one must unite and not divide. But if you like Leni Robredo, it will come as no surprise that like her, you will fall short of that crown while she will fall far from the presidency. And I thank you. Yan ang naging pahayag ni Jam Magno. Ano po ang masasabi niyo sa ating article na ito? Ilagay ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section dahil yan ay mahalaga sa amin. Images are all credit to the respectfully owners and thank you for watching. Showbiz Snap!